Upgrade your old high-pressure sodium fixtures to LED while keeping the same warm light with 2200 Kelvin fixtures and bulbs from PLT Solutions. Outlasting and outperforming their HID counterparts, these products produce the same soft light while greatly reducing your energy costs. 2200K options include area lights, wall packs, landscape floods, and corn bulbs. 2200 Kelvin light is becoming increasingly popular and can be used in applications that benefit from having a warmer light. In landscaping, this color is ideal for making foliage look more vibrant and is also used to make adobe and stucco pop by bringing out the earthy tones. Unlike higher color temperatures, which can appear harsh, 2200K is easier on the eyes, making it a good choice for lighting walkways. It also creates less light pollution and is commonly used in parks, zoos, beaches, and neighborhoods. Find these and more high-quality commercial fixtures at 1000bulbs.com.